guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are well wherever you are. So welcome to another what I eat in a day. I'm getting healthy and I want you guys to get healthy with me. So we are back with another one. I am still intermittent fasting. So first things first, this morning I came down, made me a keto lemonade, which is just the aloe vera juice with lemon, and then I just filled the rest up with water. I had that before I did my workout, did a little workout, and then after my workout I usually like to come and get a cup of warm tea. So I come and make my dandelion tea, take it upstairs with me, and I sip on it while I'm looking through emails and everything. And then I usually jump in the shower. So I just got out the shower. I am back downstairs in the kitchen yet again. And I think now I'm gonna have a little bit of bone broth. Have some bone broth. Let's see. So I have some organic grass-fed bone broth. So I'm gonna open that and we're gonna have about a cup. And it's not really all that great fresh out of the pack like this, you guys. So I like to spice it up a little bit. So I typically go out in my garden and I'll get some fresh herbs, usually like rosemary and thyme. Then I put that in the saucepan with this bone broth and I add a little bit of salt, seasoning, spice it up a little bit, and then I drink that. This is technically gonna be breaking my fast, and then I'm gonna cook me something to eat. For today, for my first meal, I don't even know what I'm gonna eat, you guys. That is the honest truth. But I think I'm gonna have, of course, some type of protein and some roasted vegetables. So I'm gonna get started on this, and then we are gonna go from there. And it's like very jelly. So once I open my bone broth, I don't really like to keep it in here anymore. So I'm gonna transfer it to this mason jar. Can somebody get that baby?
That's me.
So it is time for my bone broth. Those herbs are really transforming, okay? So this is like a steak right now, you guys. So I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen a little bit. I'm gonna sip on my bone broth, and then I'm gonna check back in with you guys when it is time to actually have my first meal, which I have decided is gonna be salmon with some zucchini, maybe some roasted cauliflower, and avocado. So it's just gonna be some roasted veggies with some salmon, and I'm gonna check back in with you guys when it's time to eat. So my breakfast has been served. Bon appetit. So this is what I'm about to have to break my fast. Some salmon, got some zucchini, and some avocado. So far today we've had our keto lemonade, we had our detox tea, we had some bone broth, now I'm having some salmon. I'm gonna take my supplements and we're gonna go from there. I'm about to step out and run some errands, so probably won't be eating anything else until later. So this is lunch, fueling my body, and I'm gonna check back in with you guys when it's time to eat. If I eat anything else, I'm gonna keep you posted, but I'm about to go out and run some errands, so I shouldn't be eating anything else while I'm out. but I'm gonna check back in. Yeah, so I just got back in from ripping and running. Got some things that I needed for Ava's birthday party. So stay tuned for Ava's 4th birthday coming up. But I just got back in. I'm wanting a little something to hold me over until dinner. So I was thinking that I was gonna have me some of coconut yogurt. This is the Cocoa Yo, super good. So I'm gonna have some of this with some berries. And then I think I'm gonna pick up some crab legs. So I'm gonna probably just steam some vegetables on the side and have some crab legs for dinner. Today's like my seafood day. Had salmon for breakfast and now I'm gonna have crab legs for dinner. But I am gonna whip up some yogurt and berries real quick. So just wanted to say, you guys know I'm on a journey to getting healthy, and everything that I'm trying to put in my body is really to support gut health. So I've been diving into all of these books, reading all of these books. So these are some of the books I've been reading. This one is a really good one. So I'm not doing labeling any diet. I'm not gonna say I'm doing paleo or I'm doing keto. I'm really just trying to eat whole foods. But I really do like this Practical Paleo book because it breaks down a lot of information. It tells you different lifestyle recommendations and things. For example, for digestion health, talks about different supplements to consider, and they have the L-glutamine, and they have herbal teas, aloe vera juice, which is what I've been using. Things to avoid, which it says 100% of the time, avoid gluten, gut irritants, grains, legumes, dairy. So been cutting out all this, been following recommendations from this book. This is called the Practical Paleo. Like I said, I'm not labeling any diet. I'm not saying I'm doing paleo or am I doing keto or anything like that. I'm really just trying to consume whole food with wholesome ingredients, and that is what I'm doing. So I'm trying to eat close to nature as possible, healthy as possible. So right now I'm gonna have me a coconut yogurt because I am avoiding dairy at the time, and this is not gonna be forever. Like I said, I don't have an autoimmune disorder or anything. I'm just trying to eliminate inflammation because I do suffer from KP, keratosis pilaris, however you say it, KP, and I've had that for a few years now, and I've just let it do its thing. I never really tried to get rid of it because it just, I don't know, I just was going with the flow and I really didn't mind, honestly. But now I'm getting back to me, I'm getting back to myself, and I'm really focusing on getting it down. So bringing inflammation down in my body has been a major goal of mine, and that is the foods that I'm eating. So I am choosing low inflammation foods, gut healing foods, and that is why some of the things you've been seeing me incorporate, like this morning with the Keto Lemonade, all that is lemon and aloe vera juice. And now I'm gonna have some yogurt, which has tons of probiotics for the gut. How I have come across them is I'll either go to the library and rent them, and then if I like them, I'll purchase them, or I'll take a trip to the bookstore and I'll just browse through them. If they seem interesting enough to me, then I'll purchase them. I'm gonna have in the description box some of these books that I recommend that you guys can look into. They will be affiliate links. I am an affiliate for Amazon. If you purchase any of the books using my link, I will get a small percentage at no additional charge to you all. If you decide to purchase a book with my link, I really appreciate it. It does help my channel out a lot, and it's not any additional charge to you all. So help your girl out. Enough rambling, let's go ahead and make my yogurt. So yogurt, check. Berries, check. The Cocoa Yo. Wash off. There she is, my little snacky snack. I drizzled it with some of this honey, and she is looking yum. So let's dig in. This would be really good with some type of crunch. So maybe I will get like a grainless granola. but it's very yummy. I'm gonna enjoy this for now. Don't forget to check out some of those books. After this, there won't be any more eating going on until dinner. Just drinking tea in between. Let me show y'all my go-to afternoon tea. So this is the Moroccan mint green tea from Trader Joe's. Love, love, love this one. I just had to buy a new pack. So in the afternoon, evening, this is usually what I would drink. So I'm probably gonna have this and then make me a cup of that green tea until dinner. This is gonna hold me over. I don't really like doing a whole lot of snacking because part of healing your gut is to be able to give your digestive system a chance to heal. And if you're constantly eating, you're not gonna be able to do that. So I'm gonna enjoy this and catch back up with y'all at dinner. So the crabs have been ordered and now I'm about to roast up some of this cauliflower. So I was gonna go pick it up, but we just decided to DoorDash it. So it should be arriving any minute now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cauliflower, just toss in some olive oil and put it in the oven real quick. The crabs have arrived. Looking yummy. I just roasted this cauliflower mix, the colorful cauliflower, and we're gonna have some crabs. I won't be eating any of the corn or the potatoes, just the crab leg. And I'm probably gonna have a salad. So I'm gonna get this all together and I will show you what it looks like. Dinner. Dinner is done. Those crabs hit the spot. We crushed them. I'm about to clean up now. Got a bunch of mess all on my shirt. So I'm gonna clean this up. Dinner was the bomb and we're about to go for a walk in the neighborhood. But that's pretty much it. Thanks for hanging out with us today and joining me for what I eat in a day. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to meet me in the comment section, you guys. Really enjoy reading your comments. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.